Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Stories comments on your Instagram profile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a new update that Instagram released recently. First thing first, make sure that you have the latest Instagram update. Open Google Play Store or App Store and install the latest update on your phone. Now open Instagram and make sure you are logged in. Then, go to your profile page. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down till you find Comments options and tap on it. Here you can see the new section where you can enable story comments. You can choose who can comment on your story. Everyone, that means that everyone on Instagram can comment on your stories. Also, you can choose that people you follow can comment on your stories, and you can disable comments on your stories. Choose the desired option. I will choose the second one. Now my friend will comment on my story. You successfully enabled comments on your stories. Note that if you cannot see an update after updating the app, wait a couple of days and try again. So that's basically how you can enable stories comments on your Instagram profile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.